Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera distortion on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again, tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so clean camera lens. Clean camera lens with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, in camera app, out and close, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, click on camera app and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and reset all settings. Reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.